Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be making something nice and refreshing for you guys. Yes, quite easy and it's a quick one. I will be making pineapple and Otaheite apple smoothie for you guys. Yeah man, so stick around, okay? Alright guys, so my fruits, they're already washed and I will be going in with the Otaheite apple first. So what I'm gonna do is just simple, remove the seed, remove the inside, get it all cleaned up. This one is very easy guys, perfect idea for the summer. Yeah man, nice smoothie. Just gonna go and cut these in cubes. Yeah man, and I'm gonna put it directly in my blender. And from there, I'm gonna peel my pineapple. Yes guys, treat yourself this summer man. Yes man, it's a very hot summer. So I'm here to give you guys this refreshing idea. And it's quite easy. Yeah man, my pineapple peel. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove the core of the pineapple. Because the core is very hard, you know. Yeah man. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut in cubes. Nice little chunks. And I'm gonna put it directly in my blender. Yeah man. And I have some ginger here, so I'm just gonna remove the skin. Small piece of ginger. Yeah man, put my ginger inside. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna put this one to blend. Yes, I'm gonna put a small amount of water inside, okay? And I'm gonna add some ice cubes. Nice. Now we'll be adding maybe roughly a teaspoon of honey. Yeah man, the pineapple and the apple, Otaheite apple is already sweet. Yeah man, I don't want to make it too sweet. And I'm gonna go straight into blending. Wow, nice, nice. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in my glass. Wow. See guys, this is, yeah man, Jamaica Otaheite apple and pineapple smoothie. Let me go ahead and taste this one, guys. This is what you call refreshing, guys. And you have made it to the end of another video. Goodbye.